Noble gases in periodic table. The noble gases are non-metals located in group 0 in the periodic table. Physical properties. All noble gases have low boiling points. As you go down the group, the boiling point increases. Helium actually has the lowest boiling point of any element. From helium downwards, the atoms become larger, the intermolecular forces between atoms become stronger and more energy is required to overcome these forces. The lowest boiling point of the noble gases is helium. The highest boiling point of the noble gases is oganesson. Chemical properties. In comparison to a lot of elements, the noble gases are extremely unreactive. We say that they are inert. They do not take part in chemical reactions. All of the noble gas atoms have full outer shells of electrons. Elements react by gaining, losing or sharing electrons to achieve a full outer shell. As noble gases already have a full outer shell, they do not need to react, hence they are very unreactive. Uses of the noble gases. Helium has an extremely low boiling point and this makes it very useful. Helium can be used to cool superconducting magnets which are essential in research and medical imaging. It can also be used for leak testing in the technology industry, but helium is more commonly known as the gas used in balloons. Uses of the noble gases. Neon is famously known for its use in neon signs, which are a popular sight in cityscapes and advertising. Like helium, its extremely low boiling point makes it useful in applications requiring a very low temperature such as cryogenic refrigeration. Argon is used in electric lights. Its unreactive properties make it much safer than other gases. Argon is also used in welding to prevent oxidation and contamination during the welding process. Argon is used in lasers which have many medical and scientific applications. Noble gas sources. Neon, argon, krypton and xenon are found in air. We breathe them in when we inhale. They can be obtained by liquefying air and carrying out a process called fractional distillation. Radon is radioactive and is produced from the decay of heavier elements.